That is my couch in virtual reality. This is just really, really strange. Hey, what's up, Questers? Yes, another update for the Quest, and the Quest 2 version 26 is now rolling out, and it's got one specific feature aside from some hand tracking fixes. And if you've listened to this channel for long enough, you've heard me talk about couch tracking, and it's finally here. Stick around after update 26 talk, as I've got some other news I want to share I'm excited about, including the release date for the Climb 2. You can now bring your sofa or couch or whatever you call it, your seating from your living room, family room, whatever, into virtual reality by adding it in the Guardian. And it's an experimental feature with version 26, which is an interesting feature. It actually works pretty freaking well. All you do is go to the experimental features in your Quest or your Quest 2 once you've got version 26, and you'll see the option to add a sofa or couch. All you gotta do is click on the add option, and it'll bring up a menu showing you how to do it. Essentially, what you do is you put your controller at the edge of the couch, and you drag it along the edge for the entire length of the seating area you want to add so it can track that area. As soon as you're done and you confirm it, in pops your couch. And it just kind of sits there in whatever environment that you've got going on. You can walk around it, you can get closer to it. As soon as you start to get closer to it, though, the Guardian kicks in and opens up so that you can see the couch and sit down. And once you sit down, it does ask you if you'd like to enter sofa or couch mode. Click the confirm button, and then it just transitions you to a static mode sitting on the couch. And you can still see the couch around you, which, I mean, it's pretty cool. It's a little bit different, but I think that it adds something to it if you're playing a game. Like in the new update notes, it says if you're playing Beat Saber and you need a second to sit down, it does make for a good transition point. So we've got couch tracking, and it does work really well. It actually works when you sit down on it. It's easy to see. It moves around properly in the environment. While I was recording this, though, there was some stutter in my view. It didn't show up in the recording, but I'm assuming it has something to do with the power it's using to track this on top of everything else. I don't know about anybody else, but I've actually had some stuttering issues, some weird glitching issues, just some overall odd stuff happening since version 25 in the Quest 2. So hopefully this will address some of that. I don't see any notes, though, that say there's any bug fixes. So my assumption is that with version 26, we're literally just getting the couch. They're literally just letting us bring the couch into VR. There's also some hand tracking fixes according to the release notes, which I guess is cool. But this update is primarily about couches. So if you want to know more about the sofa or the couch, then you can go to the link down in the description. I'll have the release notes. Let me know if you have this update, if it's something you would utilize. If you think it's silly and stupid and not needed, let me know that too. I just want to know your opinion. I think, though, what we really need now that we can track a seating surface in our Quest to sit down on, we need drink trackers. I want to be able to bring my cup of water, my can of soda into virtual reality and know where it is so I can take a sip. Even if it means having a straw, at least I can see that soda sitting there. Let me know what you want to have tracked in VR, please. Keep it PG. On top of getting an update, I might as well mention some other Quest news, as we've got some big news about the Climb 2. Yes, we finally have a release date, and that date is March 4th. So next Thursday, we finally get the Climb 2. I am really excited to try this out. Being able to climb skyscrapers in cities, according to the trailer, just looks like a blast. So if you're waiting for the Climb 2, that does come out next Thursday. Also, there's some pretty big releases coming out tomorrow on the Quest platform. Population 1 is getting a season update, and it's getting some brand new skins, new weapons like the katana, a knife. There is a lot going into this, including environmental changes, so if you love Population 1, make sure you keep your eyes open for that tomorrow. Plus, we're getting Hyper Dash tomorrow, and I've got to say, I've got a video coming out tomorrow on this. It's an absolute blast. This game is a first-person shooter that's unique. The locomotion in this game is just awesome. Being able to jump around the map by blipping forward, essentially, by jumping on those rails and just flying down the rails. It's a special game made by an awesome team, and I've had a lot of fun playing it, and I just think that people are going to love this when it comes to the official Quest platform. It's already got a following on SideQuest, as they've been doing testing for a long time on there, but it's officially launching tomorrow on the Quest platform. Also, in case you missed it yesterday, I wanted to mention that I launched my new website, questapplab.com. applab.com. It's a place where you can go to find the newest updates, links to the newest games on App Lab, and a whole bunch more is coming soon for this website. You can jump right to it in your headset, and you can add these games to your library from inside of your Quest, which makes it super simple and super easy. That's questapplab.com. So if you're interested in the newest App Lab games, hopefully this is a help to both you and to the developers. I know this was a short video, but I like to do these videos just so you guys know exactly what's going on in the world of Quest, and with the updates, what exactly they include, and hey, I got an update, what is this? This gives you the option to at least know what's going on. If you want to keep getting updates like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications. Plus, you can check out even more of my videos right there. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Happy couch tracking.